Social media engagement, why it matters and how to do it well. As social media platforms evolve to reward authentic social interactions, social media engagement has become a vital part of any marketing strategy. People don't use social media platforms for a one-way experience. They're seeking connections, with people and with brands. What started out as a way for people to hang out with their friends online has turned into a place where brands can engage in meaningful conversations and turn those conversations into followers and customers. And social media engagement has a major impact on small businesses, affecting everything from brand awareness to customer loyalty. What is social media engagement? Social media engagement is a measure of how people are interacting with your social media accounts and content. The term can cover a broad range of actions across all social platforms. For example, engagement might include likes and favorites, comments, direct messages, replies, shares, retweets, and reposts, saves, clicks, mentions. Engagement is a great way to measure whether the content you're creating is actually resonating with your audience. Why social media engagement is so important. Why is engagement so crucial? In short, because social media platforms say so. Organic reach has dropped on almost every social media platform in recent years. However, accounts with higher social media engagement are the least affected. In fact, Facebook uses meaningful interactions as an important signal that a post should be prioritized. Your customers expect you to engage, as well, particularly when it comes to providing support. Social media is the #1 choice for customer care. Every month, people and businesses exchange 1 billion Facebook messages. Customers rely on you to not only respond but to do it quickly. According to research commissioned by Twitter in 2016, 71% of their users expect brands to respond within an hour. Via Sprout Social. People love seeing and sharing positive interactions between brands and real people. 76% of consumers notice and appreciate when businesses prioritize customer support. It may be a bit intimidating to respond publicly, but if you provide great service, your customers will love you for it. An average of 54% of people between the ages of 18 to 54 view brands more favorably if they respond to customer service requests on social media. Plus, every public back and forth counts as further engagement, which feeds back into your overall reach and social media presence. Lastly, engagement builds relationships. We use social media to learn from our customers and community about how we can improve their experience. Having this direct line to our target audience enables us to build relationships, develop empathy, and, ultimately, build a better product for our users. How to boost social media engagement. Here's how to keep your social media engagement rate on the rise. 1. Be truly social. You probably wouldn't go to a party just to launch into a speech and refuse to have any conversations, would you? To be engaging, you have to actually socialize, which means interacting with the people around you. 2. Have a consistent, authentic voice. Putting yourself out there on social media can be scary. Will people like what you have to say? Are you putting your brand in its best light? Having an authentic voice on social media is important but not as easy as it sounds. It's essential because it humanizes your brand and encourages people to respond and talk about you positively. Establishing a brand voice is especially important if multiple people manage your social media accounts. Keep in mind that different styles work for different audiences. You can also liven up your feed with GIFs and emojis. Both have become a massive part of the language of social media. When you share content with GIFs and emojis, you add a bit of personality to your social media channels. 3. Know your algorithms. Not all platforms measure social media engagement in the same way. Familiarize yourself with the unique algorithms, so you know how to boost engagement. Start with timing. Does it matter when engagement happens, or are midnight likes weighted the same as midday interactions? Consider your post timing as well. While there is no best time to post for everyone, you can dig into your audience insights to strategically post when your followers are most active. Learn more about best times to post on Facebook and Twitter, X. Check into how other actions influence your chances of social media engagement, as well. For example, Instagram likes when you use Instagram stories and will show your posts more often to regular story viewers. On Facebook, posts with videos receive 400% more engagement than text-only posts. For TikTok, hashtags are everything. Adding hashtags to videos can help you reach a wider audience and lead to increased engagement. Measure the impact of your social media engagement. Engagement is great for an ego boost, but it's also important to monitor how that engagement impacts your business. In my opinion, being able to quantify the return on investment is the biggest thing that holds brands back from investing in social media engagement. It's often not quite as straightforward as measuring clicks on an ad campaign or sales from an email promotion. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.